Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're taking a closer look at the king-sized SUV that continues to set the benchmark for full-size utility at the GMC Yukon. If you're in the market for power, presence, and premium features, this might just be your next ride. Let's dive into the details. The GMC Yukon carries forward its bold and commanding design. The signature C-shaped LED headlights, massive chrome-accented grille, and squared-off body lines make it instantly recognizable. This year, GMC has refreshed the wheel designs and added new paint options, including deep redwood metallic and titanium rush. It's muscular, modern, and refined. Whether you're going with the standard Yukon, the luxurious Denali, or the off-road focused AT4, there's a look to suit your style. Inside, the Yukon is a showcase of premium materials and tech. You get a massive 12.3-inch digital driver display, a crisp 15-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an optional 18-speaker Bose Performance Series sound system. GMC didn't hold back on comfort either. The Denali Ultimate trim features leather-wrapped everything, massaging front seats, and real wood accents. There's ample room in all three rows, and behind the third row, you've still got serious cargo space. Under the hood, the Yukon offers three powertrains, a 5.3 liters V8 with 355 horsepower, a 6.2 liters V8 pumping out 420 horsepower, and a 3.0 liters Duramax turbo diesel with torque-rich efficiency, all mated to a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. The ride quality is smooth and confident thanks to the available air ride adaptive suspension and magnetic ride control. Whether you're cruising the highway or hitting a dirt trail with the AT4, the Yukon feels rock solid. The Yukon packs in cutting-edge tech, including an available head-up display, HD surround vision camera, and the game-changing Super Cruise hands-free driving system for select trims. On the safety side, you've got GMC Pro Safety Plus with automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Peace of mind, no matter where you're headed. Trims for include the base SLE, SLT, the rugged AT4, Denali, and the ultra-premium Denali Ultimate. Starting prices begin around $61,000 and can climb to $96,000 fully loaded. The GMC Yukon is a full-size SUV that doesn't compromise. It's bold, powerful, and packed with features. Whether you're hauling family, gear, or heading off the grid, this SUV is built to handle it all. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth car reviews every week. Drop a comment and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.